This printer is HP MV6122E. What I want to do is to show you ways to print document from mobile phone with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network. And to print out a document from your mobile phone, select My Files on your phone. You select Documents. If you want to print photo, then you select Image. So select Document, then scroll up, select on the document. Then you wait for the document to open. This is the document we want to print out, 2-page document. To print it out, gently tap on the screen. Then select 3 dots on top. Then select Print. It will show you this green app. Scroll down and it will show you the printer HP MV 6100 series. Select on it. Once you select on it, it will show you a yellow printer icon. This is the printer. Then scroll down to select the paper as A4 orientation portrait. We want to print this in color. Then you select number of copies, double-sided long edge. Then you select print. Then it will ask you, do you want to use HP? Then you select OK. So it's printing the page. So it's going back inside to print the second page. So you can print double-sided from this printer. This is the document we printed out, two-sided. Another method to print documents is for us to use HP app. Select HP app, and this is the printer. To print documents, you select Document Print. Print document, select on Print Document. Then you select PDF. Then scroll down for you to select the document you want to print out from your file. So select on the document. Then it will show you this is 2-page document. Then you select Print Preview to print it out. Then scroll down, Orientation, Automatic Portrait, Orientation Portrait, two-sided. We have printed two-sided earlier, but you can also select Print two-sided from HP app as well. So we're going to print one-sided, and we want to print this. Select number of copies, paper as A4, then you select Print. So we printed out the first page. Second page is printing single page in color. This is the document we printed in color, single page. Printed this one in color, two-sided. Thank you very much indeed.